The CIRSE Library is an excellent archive tool which represents over the last 5 years all the CIRSE conferences. And if I'm asked to give a lecture on an upcoming CIRSE conference or on another conference or even for another occasion, I use the library for preparation, the dedicated topic I have to talk about.
The library's really easy to search. It's got lots of filters in it, so I tend to use it to search either for content according to meeting, but you can also look according to subject, and you can also look for years as well. So if you know that there was a really interesting talk you heard a couple of years ago, but you can't quite remember who gave it, you can have a look. You can equally search by speaker, so if there's someone you know is a real expert on that subject, it's an excellent way of tracking them down.
The CIRSE Library is very useful to me in my daily clinical practice, especially when I have a difficult case or a new case. For example, I've been recently referred for a pediatric patient I'm not used to, and therefore I went through the library and I found actually the answers I was looking for. The second point, and very important one, is that if you are preparing the EBIR, the CIRSE Library will cover 100% of the curriculum, so you really can prepare your examination knowing what to study, where to study, like a student at university.
And what I love particularly about the platform are the packages. So those have been put together by selected CIRSE members, where all of the information on a particular topic is grouped together. And it's great, because within that package, you can see all of the talks and webinars that have previously been created on that subject. And there are links to CVIR articles, other suggested reading, as well as any standards of practice or guidelines that have been issued. So it's a perfect way of really getting into depth of knowledge about those particular topics. I love it.